There's some akule over here. Akule bule. One of the real brothers eat akule bule. We'll clean the akule. Not too much scale on the akule, so we can scale them. But we're going to deep fry them, so no need really scale. Some people scale them. If you feel this bugger, small the scale, squishy. Also, you might want to clean it. Take that out, or take the guts out. Some people, they just leave them inside and fry them all one time. To clean that akule, just basically take out the guts from the belly. Some people eat the guts. Some people don't. Some people do. Some people eat the guts. And actually in Japan, for some of you who don't know, they actually like eating the guts with the sake. Some people don't like eating the guts. Most of the time when you clean fish, you always take out the guts because you're not sure what's in there. Especially for the bigger fish. The smaller fish, sometimes they just fry them all one time. See the gatsu inside? Guts. Guts. So we just go like that. And you just pull this bug out. Just yank them. Clean, see how? Alright, so we got our karage Kikomon product here. We're gonna put the fish in there for the flavor. Deep fried akule. And put them inside. See the opu, the belly? Put some inside, let the flavor inside. Deep fry, all inside. Huli, 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 huli. Let's bugger swim all inside a little bit. Okay, alright, so we get them in there. We're gonna shake them up. Shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, shake them. Get it all flavored in there. Shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, shake them. Throw them in a frying pan and watch me bake them. Fry them. Shake them up. Okay, now it's ready to go in the frying pan. Everything is prepped over there. Cooking real fast, guys. Cooking. Whip them up is what we call them. Typical Hawaiian style. We whip them up. Everything prepared. We get the garlic shrimp ready with the sauce in the pan. We get the cooking oil, which is olive oil and a little bit of sesame oil, and then also our steak, thin cut steak, sesame steak, typical Hawaiian special, fast kind. Cook them up, whip them up, kind cooking. All right. Ooh, the chef is getting hungry here, so you cannot forget the rice crackers. Fast kind cooking. When you're hungry, you gotta keep yourself occupied, chewing and honor for the food, because you know what's gonna happen here. Get everything simmer. Now we turn up the heat. We're gonna turn up the heat now. What you like trying first? You get the garlic butter shrimp, special. You get the steak, thin cut steak. And you get the fried akule, everything prepped. Sesame oil for my steak. I love my sesame oil steak. And the garlic butter sauce, secret sauce, already prepped. I'm gonna put that in there. And the olive oil and a little bit sesame for the fried fish. Garlic butter. Come check this out. Sauce already prepped for our shrimp. With that, we're gonna drop the shrimp in. Kahuku, farm-raised shrimp, straight from the farm. All the kahuku. I never even stopped at Giovanni's. No need. I make my own right here. Kikomon. Cooking with the Kikomon. Why? Because Kikomon will show you how it's done. Drop the shrimp in there nicely so she don't splash. Not let them splash all over. The shrimp was pretty much alive when I got them. Right in the bag. Just like that. Put them on the side. Oh, see? That bugger ready. Oh, bugger ready. Turning on the heat. That bugger ready. Fried akule. Stand back. Stand back. This is really going on right now. Throw that bugger on. See? That's why. The firing zone right now. It's really happening. It is really happening. Fried akule, going down right now in the pan. Karage sauce. Karage. Boom. Right, going down. Everything. Quick kind. Whip them up quickly. Boom, boom, boom. Turn on the heat. Boom, ready for go. Check this out. A shrimp. Ready for go. Grab that spoon. Ready for go. Throw that shrimp right on top. Alright. So the bug will turn orange and pink. That's how you know when she's ready. Kind of more on the orange and slightly pink. I like to say pink because we know when the bug are ready. She's full color. The gray goes away. That's how we determine the shrimp is thoroughly cooked. You don't want to overcook the shrimp like I said on my last show. But quick time, cook them up. Quick time. Grab the fork. The steak, boom, pork, boom. Organic, chicken cut, Angus beef, right in the pan. Steak, this bugger ain't cooked long. See, heat not too high. You don't like them too overcooked. You just like them just right. Most people like their steak medium rare. Some people like them medium. Some people like them rare done. Well done. This one we cook them medium rare and medium well. We'll flip them fast kind. Turn down the heat a little bit. I have that kind of on the high end. So we just going to go medium. So it's a thin slice of steak. So let that. See? The shrimp cooking fast, high heat. Turn them down once you're boiling. What we're going to do, flip that. And the akule in there too. So we're going to have to huli that bugger. Flip. We'll show you like flip first. We'll flip this one. Fry them. Because you don't like the bugger burn, but the heat just right. Look them. Just right, Bob. Huli this bugger. Just right. Huli that bugger nicely. You know, like Bosca fish. Keep them nice and intact. Over that, let that bugger deep fry. That one's still on the higher heat, but you gotta watch them. Not too high, you don't want to burn it. Just enough to fry. You can keep that heat in there to cook the fish thoroughly and nicely. And here's this. Huli that bugger. Huli that bugger. Huli needs to flip. Turn it over, huli. Flip over. That steak will be ready in just a little bit. Now, what we're going to do here is huli the shrimp also. See, one side good, one side good. Just huli that buggers. The best you can, each of them. Huli, huli, huli. One side cooked, one side the other side. Hit. Huli, huli. And the shrimp is cooking right there in our secret sauce, already prepped. Garlic butter sauce. And let's not forget. Some people like to add some white wine for some extra flavor. That wine, sweet wine, any kind of wine. There's certain type of cooking wine you want to use. But this Hawaiian, use any kind of wine. You don't use this kind of wine, Hawaiian. White wine. Cupcake wine. Moscato di yeah. On the cold side, but it'll be okay because the fire is hot enough. You like some room temperature wine sometimes. Okay, Hawaiian? Little bit. Just little bit. For an extra flavor. This wine, Shigo. Ooh, sweet. Tastes like a kind. A little bit mango and lemon. And one. All in one. Hey, oh, the steak ready. We rolling. The steak ready. One quick huli and then we throw them on the steak plate. Quick time cooking. Whip them up fast. Everybody hungry. The chef hungry too. He's getting impatient. He's hungry. So quick time cook them up for the Ohana family and friends. We're cooking. Typical Hawaiian style in the studio. Cooking up some good music and some good food in the studio. The butter shrimp is good to go. Turn on the heat. Fast kind cooking. Extra little love over there. Some garlic powder. Mix that butter in there. Mix them. Make sure it's good. Put the flavor all in there. Fast kind look them up. Garlic butter shrimp. Turn down the heat. Let that cool down. That's good to go. Check in on our akule. That butter is ready. Get that. Oh, sorry, on basta shell a little bit. Supposed to just really nicely. But yeah. Put them back together. Cooking typical Hawaiian style. Alright, I know this bugger hot, so I'm not going to touch them with my hand. Alright. Fried akule with some karaage. Garlic butter shrimp. Oh, it's going to be delicious. Oh, shucks, I forgot. My cooking hat. Hang on, the whole time. See, my thinking cap. You always need your thinking cap, but you know, I have it on now, so everything is ready to go. Fried akule, it's good to go. Frying, turn on the heat, this one good. Turn on the heat. We have our steak in the microwave to keep it warm. Keep it warm so when we serve, everything's ready to go. Once again, mahalo for joining the Typical Hawaiian Cooking Show. Cooking typical Hawaiian style with the Kikomon, myself here. Stay tuned for more episodes cooking different foods, fish, meat, different kind of stuff. Let us know what you want us to cook next. Be back.